First problem, inscribed a regular hexagon in a circle of radius 35 mm. Use circle method. At first draw a straight line 60 mm and point AB. Straight line bisect into two equal parts and name O. Then measure A and O straight line and make a arc in point A. Similarly, bow misrui and make arc in point B, make a circle in point A, measure OA. Then which point is touch in circle name and joint the point.
Second problem, inscribe a regular pentagon in a circle radius 30 mm. At first draw a 60 mm diameter, name AB. Then we divide into 5 equal parts in AB. Draw a straight line at any angle in point A and take random distance in compass and cut the arc and join the line parallelly by help of set square or drafter or ruler scale. Take a distance of AB and make an arc of point A. Similarly, take a distance AB and mark an arc in point B. Which point we get, name P. Make a straight line from P to 2 and extend up to line in circle Q. And join the line AQ and take a measure AQ. Cut a arc in point C and join QC. Similarly, you saw in video. Problem 3. To construct a regular pentagon, length of the side is 60 mm. Special purpose. At first, draw 60 mm and name AB. Measure AB and draw a circle in point A. Similarly, draw a circle in point B and intersect the point named PQ. Draw a circle in point Q, measure QA and mark and a arc. And bisect the line AB. Draw a line ST and extend up to E. Draw a line RT and extend up to C. Join the point AE and BC. Measure AB and take a arc from E and C. Name D and join DE and CD. Problem 4. Draw a regular pentagon of long side 30 mm using general method. At first draw a 30 mm length and point B to make a right angle. Take measure AB and make a arc in point B. Join the line AC. We see four sides. We draw these four sides, we get rectangle, and six sides we draw circle, we get a hexagon. So we draw pentagon, then 4 and 6 middle we get pentagon. Bisect 4 and 6 this distance and make a circle. Measure AB and draw a arc in circle. You sew in skin. Join all the point. Problem 5. Draw a regular hexagon and octagon of long side 30 mm using general method. First draw a straight line AB and make a 90 degree in point B. Measure AB and make a arc in point B. Bisect the line AB. Measure a circle in 6 sides to point A and make a circle and take AB point, measure and make a arc in a circle and we join the point. Then we draw the octagon, so measure 4 side and 6 side and cut a arc in above 6 side. Take measure 8 side and point A and make a circle. Then measure AB and cut a circle and join the line. Problem 6. Draw a regular hexagon length 60 mm by using any method. So, at first draw a straight line 60 mm. Measure AB and make a arc in point A. Similarly, make a arc in point B. Two arcs are intersect, name O, and distance OA. Make a circle in point O. Measure the distance AB and cut the arc in circle and join the all points. Problem 7. Draw a continuous curve through 3 points not in a same straight line. So at first draw any 3 points randomly. We mark all 3 points. Name A, B, C. Join the point AC and CB. Then AC line are bisect and BC line bisect. Two bisect line cut in a point, then this point measure up to A and make a arc. Then we see random point in a continuous curve.